Bob and John each use Printers Plan to run a successful printing business. But why does Bob look so stressed? Well, it's because Bob constantly worries that something terrible, like theft or system failure, will happen to the computers or server that store all his data and run his whole business. Poor Bob. John, on the other hand, uses cloud-hosted Printers Plan and can run his business from any web browser, including on his phone or tablet and even on a Mac. Plus, John isn't distracted by IT support calls, hardware upgrades, or debugging issues, because cloud-hosted Printers Plan ensures that everything is kept up to date and running smoothly. Most importantly, leading internet security practices ensure that John's business and data are secure. This means John gets to focus on printing and growing his business, even while at home or on vacation. And John never worries if his computers go for a walk and never return, because of the automatic, worry-free backups in cloud-hosted Printers Plan. Meanwhile, Bob is still scrambling to get things reinstalled on all his machines, losing time, customers, and money. Running Printers Plan on your local machines still works fine. But why not enjoy the peace of mind and advantages of cloud-hosted Printers Plan? Visit printreach.com/Printers Plan to learn more.